So my friend Chopper found my piano, suggested I should get a mechanical keyboard to get faster at typing. So yesterday I got one and I didn't like where the enter key was placed, so we refunded it and got a new one. So yeah, it was $10 more. So yeah, so this is the Power Play. I don't know the keyboard this is called. If I find out what it is, I'll probably find out what it is and put it in the title. So read the title. So yeah, so it's a colorful lighting system, supports shortcuts for easy switching between lighting effects, switch colors at will. Yeah, I'm not reading this. Yeah, got this, the that. Now time to open it. Right. So this was about 40 New Zealand dollars. It was on sale. It's originally.
That was for $40.20.
Yeah. So it's like 50. It was pretty much 50 New Zealand dollars. And if you put that into US dollars, I don't know. Don't believe my word, but I'm pretty sure it's like 30. No, it's not 30. So it's like, how much is US dollars? It's like
Okay.
35 US dollars, I think.
This is gonna take a while, you know.
I don't know, so don't take my word for it. Yeah, I'm not really good at this. My brother's better at doing this.
Wait.
Okay, I should have thought of it.
You just gotta keep doing it. Then, when it's big enough. Okay, you guys probably already know. There you go.
Yeah, we're doing this with my hands. Oh crap, I'm not really good at this.
Just gotta rip
I
it.
gotta get a grip on it.
I could get a grip.
Yeah, because you're talented.
Yeah, sure. That's done. Now.
No, is that only one?
Yeah. There's only one. Oh, sorry guys. I just kind of blocked the camera, but it was only for a split second.
Okay.
Actually,
I'm
don't
scared
know.
I'll break it. The box.
You're lifting up. Okay.
Look, I think it's like this. Well, how do you open?
Dude, there's a flap here. You gotta take out.
Oh.
Because I already have one of these and I already know what to do. So there is the inside of it.
Yeah. Right. So comes with. Well, I should probably take the whole thing
Yeah.
out.
Some nice styrofoam. If it's called that, I think it is.
So this is the keyboard. Okay. There. It's nice.
Put it in the box.
It's nice and cold. There's the enter key there. The keys, that's the numeric keypad. I'm not really familiar with the numeric keypad. I'll probably learn it. On typing.com I didn't have it, so I just did the normal numbers during those lessons, the spells, and yeah.
The cable.
So basically, this is it.
I'm
So
not a tech guy. I don't know if that's called a cable. It probably is, but okay.
so basically, I'll get my Chromebook. I can't be bothered getting my laptop.
Aren't you gonna untie this?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
It's really nice. So we parents have the same one. I'll show you guys. The one that this is mine here. Yes, it's the same one.
Yeah. Don't look at my password.
Oh, okay. I forgot about that.
Right. There you go.
And as you can see, it's already lighting up.
Yep. Just let
Wait, take it off again, and then you could, and then if we plug it in, yeah, there. I don't know if I caught that.
So I think this is a blue switch keyboard. I don't really know how to tell switches, but I saw something blue underneath, so I just assume it's blue switch. It's very fast.
Okay, no, he was just having a random. Yeah.
Random words.
If this focus, yeah, I could. Maybe it is. I don't know. You can change.
You can change it to wave.
Yep. If you
You
press,
change it to
this flash on.
part wave something. And
It
then
is.
you can just do normal.
Yeah, and you have to press this button right here. This button there. to change it.
I kind of like no color if I feel like focusing. The color distracts me. I don't really play in the night or anything. Like type in
Or
the
in the
dark.
dark.
Yeah, in the dark. So got the numeric keypad. I think I learnt 4, 5, and 6, and 7 and 8. I think 9. I don't and enter. Oh crap. Yeah. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Windows key equals to search on Chromebook. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See ya. Bye.